Hi everyone, welcome back to another table topic uh, uh, today. So let me grab the table topic. The table topic is real wealth is never measured in money or possession. Real wealth is never measured in money or possessions. Real wealth. Real wealth is a term that most people most people have the same meaning as they grew, but it is very different from people to people. That's what I believe. If I talk about uh, myself, that real wealth, what is real wealth? Let's try to understand what do we consider a real wealth? And the way I see it, real wealth is something uh, that is beyond materialistic things, beyond uh, that gives you innate happiness when you just work. Maybe maybe you can, another way that we can think of, when you go from this world, how many people cry? That is also one of the way that wealth accumulated by that person. How many people love you? Do you have your family or not? So, so that's why I'm saying there are multiple things which can be measured in terms of real wealth. For some people, family is their real wealth. For some people helping someone in need is a real wealth. So there are many facets to it, and for me, that again coming back to what I told earlier, that how many people will cry after I die? That is the true wealth. And the whole goal is that only, that I find such people, I be with them, and I be with my family, and that is, for me, that is the real wealth. The We learn very late that money is not the only thing that matters. Money is the secondary thing. Money is that thing that we uh, humans decided that should be that money is something that you can exchange, or you can give and take, or you can buy and sell. This is the system that the way world works. But real wealth is something else. Uh, you might not be having good money, but you can still be having a lot of wealth, your happiness. There are many people who have loads of money, but they are not happy. What is the purpose of this life then? Right? You have been given only one life, and you are not happy in that. So coming back to the topic, real wealth, at least for me, is not measured in money or something, possessions. It's my happiness and what I can do for the people. Those are things that matters to me the most. Thank you.